Amazon Associates. Are you part of Amazon Associates? Which means you're probably an affiliate marketer for Amazon, which means you get a percentage of all of the products that you sell for Amazon, right? Everybody talks about how much money you can make off of it and how great it is. Well, guess what? They have sliced the commission, like dead. So what are marketers gonna do that are all about Amazon? I have an idea. Let me show you. Amazon affiliate commissions 2020. I think this is the end to affiliates for Amazon. I really do, because if you do affiliate marketing for Amazon, then as you can see, I have put what I have found so you don't have to do the research. How crazy this is. Yeah. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh, hi, I'm Shelly Hopkins and welcome to my channel. Most of the time we're talking about video and affiliate marketing, because anytime you have a business, you always need affiliate and video marketing to help your business. So subscribe so you don't miss any of the videos. But I wanted to talk about the Amazon because they've recently announced, this is just insane. You know, they've recently announced how they have slashed how much it's actually called Amazon Associates, but it's affiliate marketing. And a lot of people just have stores that's just for Amazon. And for years, I have told everybody that you gotta be careful, because I have never fully trusted Amazon. I'm just being honest. Now, I've heard that they have the way they market it on the end and everything, plus people trust them. So that's why most people do it. And I get that. And I do a little, but mostly not. This is considered a low ticket because most of what everybody sells is low, and I do high ticket. If you wait to the end of the video, I'll tell you the best way to not only make money online, but to learn how to make money online. And you know what? I could actually help you get started for like $1.99. And I'll give you some free information and stuff too. But you know, I just wanted to show you this because I personally think this is just insane. I mean, let's look at this. I think that they have killed the affiliate program. I think it's dead. I think it's been slowly going dead. And Amazon, they can do it. They can do what they want. They don't need affiliates. They just don't. And some of the top stuff was furniture, home, lawn and garden, pet products, and home improvement. And it went from 8%, some of it was 10, like I found this. This is what they used to be. You know, furniture, okay, that was 8, and then Amazon, okay, luxury beauty, that was 10%. And the home, lawn and garden, pets and stuff, that was 8%. 3%, guys, 3%. That's nothing. I mean, if you're going to cut some prices, I mean, really? You know? And the tools and outdoors went from 5.5 to 3. Baby products, health and personal care went to 1. No. 3%. So really, almost all this is 4 takeaways. That's really, if you listen to everything or you read it, let's just sum it up. Because 50 to 60% cut in commissions for the major categories that affect affiliates. It's what affiliates usually focus on. It's insane. It's seriously slashing their business. This isn't sustainable for most affiliates. It's just not. 3, almost all commissions, as you can see, they're 3%, and it makes no sense to focus on Amazon. I mean, this is, of course, this is an opinion, and I don't talk much about just my opinion, but if you are already doing it, I can see where it's okay because it wouldn't kill you. But if you are coming on and you are a beginner or you are new, I would not do Amazon, because I personally feel, because this isn't the first time they've slashed how much they're going to give commissions, then I think they're going to eventually just keep cutting it till it's gone. So I wouldn't bother, and I really would not waste your time. Now, if you've been doing it for a while and you can still make money, well, that makes sense. But it would, even then, it wouldn't be the sole thing that I would do. I would add some more like high ticket, what I mostly try to focus on. That's what I would personally do. I'm just saying. And if you're fixing to say, oh, but Shelly, everybody's hurting right now, and, you know, they had to do this. Bull crap. Look at this. Amazon is one of the only companies flourishing during the pandemic. Their stock hit an all-time high on the day of these announcements. They have a market cap of $1.1 trillion. Let's repeat that. $1.1 trillion. I don't think they're hurting, do you? If you like that, give me a comment yes, because that is crazy. It's crazy. So I just wanted to I was trying to find, you know, there's a lot of stuff out there, but let's just narrow it down and tell you what's happening, what's going on. And like I said, this is the year 2020, you know, Amazon commissions for the year 2020. This is happening. Seriously. It's dead. That's what I would say. Forget it. Especially if you're new, walk away. Okay? And I told you that I would tell you what I do in the underneath the video. It has my number one recommendation. It's high ticket, and you could get in for nothing. If you're thinking, oh, I don't want to pay hundreds of dollars, you don't have to. And it works. And it's what I do. So that's what I would do, and stay completely and utterly away from Amazon. I'm just saying. And if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, I do have a free ebook down below. Go ahead and grab it. It's free, and check it out. But that's really all I wanted to tell you. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up. The algorithm loves it when you do that. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? And hit the bell notification. That way you don't miss any of my stuff. And remember, if you agree with me on this, say do yes. And it's okay to disagree. You can type no in the comments. All right, guys, I love you. Until the next video. See ya.